let me give you a brief glimpse into my Rise to the Challenge football template. This is the horizontal template, and there are some very cool options. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that's going to teach you how to light your subjects, how to insert them, and position them. A couple different things to take into consideration. There's about 10 guys in here. It can fit a lot more than that though. You can easily scale your subjects down, make them smaller, and fit twice as many guys. All these elements are movable, so I can scale this down, move it off to the side. I can move the flag. I can adjust the colors of the scoreboard using the sliders to get it to do whatever I want to. I can change the names on the scoreboard. Everything is editable. So I could fit easily 20 guys, even 30 if I added another row. Here's a sample of another team. You can see it includes a schedule that you can retype and insert your own dates and opponents. You can easily change the colors in this template to fit your team. There's also a panoramic 1:2 proportion that can be used to include a long row of subjects. You could even include twice as many subjects, so 40 would easily fit in here if I just duplicated these background subjects and moved them up, something like that. You can see how it could easily fit twice as many subjects. This even works great for cheerleading. You can print 10-foot banners with this, or 8x10s, 5x7s, and 4x6s for the parents. It's easy to use and your team's going to love it.